frequency and scale of natural disaster in the South Asian region is increasing with damaging impacts. Devastating earthquake of Nepal in April 2015 gave a clarion call for coordinated rapid disaster response efforts in the SAARC region. To address this issue, first of its kind South Asian Annual Disaster Management Exercise or SADMEX 2015 was organized by National Disaster Response Force in association with National Disaster Management Authority, National Institute of Disaster Management, Union Ministry of Home Affairs and Union Ministry of External Affairs. Apart from field training exercise focused on collapsed structure search and rescue operations on the 24th of November 2015, a joint field training exercise on chemical emergency was conducted by National Disaster Response Force NDRF at LG India Private Limited, Greater Noida, UP on the 25th of November 2015. First of all, delegates from SAARC countries and observers were introduced to the equipment used during chemical disaster-related rescue operations. The scenario of the exercise was leakage of the toxic gas in the factory caused due to the collapse of the structure caused by a major earthquake and aftershocks. The factory workers were all suffering in the leakage site. There is panic and chaos in the surrounding localities. To handle this challenging situation, NDRF teams were called for help. The entire exercise was executed by the NDRF team. Delegates team didn't participate in the exercise. Whole exercise was conducted in a planned way. The detection team arrives along with all its equipment for detection of leakage. The rescue team then establishes command post, communication center, decon center, safety station, etc. Team going inside for operation goes through the safety checks and correct reading of personal protection equipment or PPE is noted to ensure that whenever level of PPE rises, team members are indicated to get out of the site. Team starts rescue operation immediately after entering the site. Conscious persons are given support of oxygen while unconscious are transported to hospital without delay. Everyone present at the affected site has to go through the decontamination process at Decon Center. Every individual coming out of the hot zone is decontaminated and given a hot bath, which helps to remove 90% of the chemical from the body. The rescue team also takes immediate measures to stop chemical leakage from the damaged pipe. The bursting point is sealed and absorbent material is spread around the pipe to soak the chemical. After the rescue work is over, the rescue team, along with their equipment, PPE costume used in the operations are decontaminated externally as well as internally in the decon post. When a rescuer comes out of the affected area to the decon post, he is given a powder wash on a shuffle pit. The powder absorbs the excessive contaminant from the clothes, which is then dusted off. Then whole PPE worn by the rescuer is removed carefully. The moment the suit is taken out, the person is decontaminated first. The whole area, including the area where the leakage occurred, is then decontaminated by the decontamination team. At the end of the operation, the team leader takes a review of its team before the final departure. After proper verification of the site, the decontaminated area is handed over to the civil authorities. Main objective of this exercise was to conduct and apply life-saving methodologies during disaster and orchestrate activities and involvement of SAARC countries to improve their effectiveness and efficiency.